In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code in GoDaddy Website Builder 2025. If you're looking to customize your website with unique features or simply want more control over your content, adding HTML can be incredibly beneficial. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, follow along and we'll walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to head to the GoDaddy homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser, type www.godaddy.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to their website, which is where we'll begin our process. Once there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the sign in option. Click on it to proceed. This is essential because accessing and managing your website will require you to be logged into your GoDaddy account. On the subsequent page, you'll again see the option to sign in. Click this once more and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you have two-step verification enabled, make sure you have your phone or email ready to complete the login securely. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, look for the website section, which lists all the website products you currently manage under your GoDaddy account. Click on the website product you want to edit. Next, you'll see the option to edit website, which is designed to open up the GoDaddy website builder interface. Click on edit website, and this will direct you to the main editing interface where you can make changes to your site. Within the website builder, you'll want to navigate to the add section button. This is where you have the flexibility to include new features and elements to your web page. Click on add section and you'll find options that include various content types and layouts. Now, in the search bar, type HTML. You're looking for the HTML section type, which allows you to paste custom HTML code. Once you find it, click on Add to include the section in your web page. Moving on, you'll need to give your new section a title. This helps to organize your content and makes it easier for you to manage different parts of your website. With the section added, now it's time for the most crucial part, entering your custom HTML code. Simply paste or type directly into the provided space, ensuring it's correctly formatted and contains the functionalities you desire for your site. After entering your code, make sure to click on Done. This confirms that your section is ready and the changes have been saved within the editing interface. Finally, it's important to review your changes before they go live. Click on Preview and Publish to see how your site looks with the newly